Hi, welcome to this video on calculating the change in linear momentum of a moving object. First, let me explain the concept of linear momentum. Say we have an object moving at velocity v. Any object that is moving has a momentum that is equal to the products of its mass and velocity. Usually we call it P equal to mv. If we have an object that was initially at rest, its momentum will be 0 because its velocity is 0. After it starts moving with a speed of v, its momentum will be mv. The change in momentum is defined by the difference between the final momentum and its initial momentum. So the change in momentum is pf minus pi. Now, let us use this concept to solve the first problem. Say we have an object of mass 0.5 kg, which was initially at rest. Its momentum will be 0. When it's moving at 2.0 meter per second, its momentum will be 0.50 times 2.0, which is equal to 1.0 kilogram meter per second. So, the change in momentum will be calculated to be 1.0 minus 0 equal to 1.0 kilogram meter per second. Next, we want to find out the change in momentum of an object bouncing off a wall. Taking right as positive, when the ball is approaching the wall with a velocity of v, its momentum will be mv. Assuming that its speed remains the same after bouncing off the wall, its new momentum will be minus mv. This is because the direction of the new momentum is to the left, and that is negative. So, since change in momentum is final momentum minus initial momentum, its value would now be minus mv minus mv, which is equal to minus 2mv. This is important because many students often forget that the change is twice the value of its initial momentum. Let us look at the second problem. A ball of mass 2.0 kg is moving at 4.0 meter per second. After bouncing off a wall, its speed is 3.0 meter per second. Calculate the change in momentum of the ball. So how do we do this? First, let us calculate the initial momentum of the ball, and that is 2.0 times 4.0, and that gives us 8.0 kilogram meter per second. Next, we calculate the final momentum of the ball, taking care that the final velocity is minus 3 meter per second because the ball is now moving to the left. So that gives us a final momentum of minus 6.0 kilogram meter per second. And so the change in momentum of this ball is minus 6 minus 8, and that gives us minus 14.0 kilogram meter per second. To summarize this lesson, the linear momentum of a moving object is calculated by the product of its mass and velocity. The change in momentum equals to the final momentum less its initial momentum. Finally, remember that the change in momentum of an object bouncing off a wall is larger in magnitude than either its initial or final momentum. That is all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.